Hi students, welcome to this channel. Today's topic is how to calculate molarity of a solution very easily. So watch this video till the end, then you can calculate molarity of any solution within seconds. We know that a solution contains solute plus solvent. Solution means solute plus solvent. Solute is the one in lesser quantity and solvent is the one in higher quantity. And solute is the substance that is being dissolved and solvent is the dissolving medium. And the molarity is actually the concentration of a solute in a solution. The formula to find the molarity is number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liter. Simply, if we represent molarity as capital M is equal to small n by V. That is simply M is equal to n by V. There are some complicated formulas, forget all of them and remember this formula. M is equal to n by V. See some examples. The concentration of a solution of 1.2 gram KCl in 250 ml water. Find the concentration of a solution of 1.2 gram KCl in 250 ml water. Here volume of solution is 250 ml and here mass of KCl is given 1.2 gram. So we need to find the molarity. Here actually concentration means the molarity. There are other terms to represent concentration, that is mass percentage and ppm etc. So look the options given in exam. If the options are in molarity, you need to find the molarity. So here we discuss about molarity. Here concentration means molarity. So look these questions. Concentration of a solution of 1.2 gram KCl in 250 ml water. Now that formula is M is equal to n by V. So here n means number of moles of solute. Here solute is KCl. So number of moles formula is mass by molar mass. To find the number of moles, use the formula mass by molar mass. N is equal to small m by capital M. That is number of moles mass by molar mass. So mass of solute is given 1.2 gram. So 1.2 divided by molar mass of KCl, atomic mass of potassium plus atomic mass of chlorine. That is 39 plus 35.5. That is approximately 74.5. (1.2) divided by 74.5. Multiply both numerator and denominator by 1000. So it will become 1200 divided by 74.5 into 1000. 1200 divided by 74.5 approximately 16. 16 divided by 1000, 0.016. So number of moles of solute is 0.016. So molarity number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liter. So here volume of solution given in milliliter. So to convert to liter, take 3 points backward. So it will become 0.25. 1, 2, 3. 3 point backward. That is 250 divided by 1000. Okay. Simply take 3 points backward. So it will become 0.25 liter. So molarity becomes 0.016 divided by 0.25. Here again multiply both numerator and denominator by 1000. So it will become 16 divided by 2.5 into 100. 16 by 2.5 approximately 6. 6 by 100 0.06. So the answer will be 0.06, approximately 0.06 molar. 4 gram NaOH in 250 ml water. Concentration of a solution of 4 gram NaOH in 250 ml water. We know that formula is M is equal to N divided by V. Molarity is equal to number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liter. So here also volume of solution will become 0.25, that is take 3 points backward, it will become liter, in liter 0.25. So number of moles of solute means mass divided by molar mass. Mass is 4 gram, molar mass of NaOH is 40. So 4 by 40 it will become N become 0.1. 4 divided by 40, 0.1. So volume of solution liter 0.25. So M will be 0.1 divided by 0.25. Here also multiply both numerator and denominator by 10. So it will become 1 divided by 0.25 into 10. 1 by 0.25, 4. 4 by 10, 0.4. So molarity will become 0.4 molar. The answer will be 0.4. Take another example. Give the mass of NaOH dissolved to make a solution of 500 cm cube 0.5 molar solution. Here look, volume is given in centimeter cube. Centimeter cube is nothing but milliliter. Centimeter cube is equal to milliliter. 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1 ml. That is 1 ml is equal to 1 centimeter cube. So 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. Milliliter is equal to centimeter cube. Okay. So here see the molarity is equal to N divided by. Here molarity is given. We need to find the mass of NaOH. So we know that formula to find molarity is N by V. So here molarity is given. So 0.5 is equal to number of moles N divided by volume of solution become 0.5. Take 3 points backward, so volume will become 0.5. So from here we can find N. N is equal to 0.5 into 0.5, that is 0.25. N will become 0.25. Okay, N is equal to 0.5 into 0.5. So we know that N is equal to mass by molar mass. Mass by molar mass. We know that molar mass of NaOH is 40 gram. So from here we can find the mass of NaOH. Mass of NaOH. So N is 0.25. 0.25 is equal to M divided by capital M, 40. Molar mass of NaOH 40. So mass of NaOH will become 40 into 0.25. 40 into 0.25. So 4 into 0.25, 2.5. 2.5 into 10. 4 into 0.25, 1. 1 into 10, 10 gram. So M will become 10 gram. 14, M is equal to 40 into 0.25. 4 into 0.25, 1. 1 into 10, 10. So in this way you can find molarity of any solution very easily. So hope you guys understood. So suggest this channel to your friends.